Good evening, everybody. I say that because it's 3 p.m. here in Arizona. 3 p.m., 71 degrees, 4,570 feet. And we are over by Tombstone, Arizona. There's a little dirt road here I thought I'd check out. I've not been down it before, so see where it goes. Maybe just a short one, I don't know. Uh-oh, somebody's moving. They are fed up and moving out. This is a nice dirt road, kind of just red dirt. We can go high speed on the Trail 125 on this baby. Yeah. It's crazy all the dirt roads that I pass up that I don't realize deer something run or something. There's a horse out there, a couple of them, and a mule. Oh, there's that road, East Deer Run. Didn't see no deer. Maybe false advertising. I'm not sure where this road is going to take me. You can see the Dragoons over there. China camp over there. Whoa, what does this say? No shooting, state trust. Well, I don't want to shoot anyway. I'll be dang. Did not know this is out here. This is just happen chance I just happened upon this road. Seen it. How cool is that? That's what I do sometimes. Just go out exploring and luck onto another road that I've never been on. See it going out across here. Right away, we might as well check it out and see where it goes. Washboard, but this little thing soaks washboard up pretty good. That's what I call them, washboard. Somebody said wash. Nah, not when you're born and raised in the Ozarks, it's wash. We don't wash our clothes, we wash them. Keep trucking right on down through here. So you notice my windshield and GPS. My GPS was back here, but because I bought this new windshield, it's got the perfect mount on it to mount the GPS up there. I really like that. Really like it. Link in the description for that windshield. If you got a Trail 125, to my opinion, it's about the best choice you got. I've looked at all of them. Ended up buying this one. I'm trucking right along, pretty smooth roads. So it's already 3 o'clock. I gotta be heading back toward the house. Thought, might as well check out one more while I'm out here. Of course, that usually ends up into checking out another one, and then another one, and then another one. And it just goes on and on. I'm going down to the canyon now. Pellets. Some kind of horse pellets in the road. Feed. I think we're going to come up on another road up here. That's right there, I guess. Looks like a power line road. Right along the power lines. Sometimes those are good ones too. There are different trails and spots. There's more roads going off everywhere down here. Got this little dude trucking. .42 on the dirt. .45. .46. Moving along. Uh-oh, now which way? Oh, holy cow. I had no idea these was out here. Well, I think they both go to the same place. Which is, I don't know where. I don't know. I mean, it looks like on the map, it shows they kind of, yeah, like here, comes out, crisscrosses each other. What it looks like. There's another gate, but it's open. Kind of a nice area out here, really. Yep, I'm off the map. Where did the map go? Somewhere I missed it. So I should have stayed left, I guess. There it is down there. See the road. Yeah, I'm back on the map. So what's the weather where you guys are at? Is it nice? I hope so. Been nice here. It's almost always nice here. Can't say it's 100% always nice, but just pretty near it. A little bit rockier here. Then that sandy dirt back here, smooth. I don't know where I'm gonna come out. I might have to figure out another way out of here and come back here later, because maybe more trails than I can ride this evening. The gate. See if it's unlocked, even though, yeah, it's unlocked. Even though I might not go through it. Let's see. Try to figure out exactly where to go. I mean, that's all off out in the pretty close stuff. Waterfall, a water well, Granite Spring, Sheephead. Yeah, there's some good stuff out there, but not good for today. I just ain't gonna have time. I'll have to come back to this one for sure. Just have to remember where it's at. That's the main thing. Really cool spot. I can also mark it on the map if I want to. But hey, that was a cool road to check out. I will definitely come back. I'll probably bring the 300 here in a day or two. Come back out here. Yeah, I'm head on into the sun. Okay, guys. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. God bless you all. I really appreciate all you guys watching. Appreciate all the subscribers. I'm trying to get my subscribers up over 30,000. I know if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It don't cost you nothing, you know, to subscribe. You can hit the bell. That'll notify you when I put out a new video. And if you're not even, a lot of people just watch YouTube. They're not even signed up, so you can't comment or click the thumbs up or nothing. But it's real easy to sign up on YouTube, and it's free. And then you can be part of the community. Comment what you think. Comment on my videos. He can even comment the bad stuff. That's alright. We all have an opinion. But like I said, God bless you all. Check out all my stuff in the links below. The description is full of all my stuff that I use. Catch you all on the next adventure. Hit that subscribe button. Catch you all on the next adventure. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.